beauties, welcome back to my channel. As y'all read by the title, I'm doing another hair video. Get me all dressed up. Your girl finna go to the fight party to show y'all how I installed this U-part wig. I haven't did a U-part in so long. I don't even think I did one on my channel. But guys, when I tell y'all they're super easy and convenient, like they don't even take no longer than 10 minutes. Really? This took me 5, but I know, like, you know, some people like to do curls, and this is the quickest, most simplest way to have your hair look done in literally no time rushing. You just need to hurry up and do something with your hair real quick. A U-part wig is gonna be your best friend. When I tell y'all it is so convenient and so easy. Without rambling too much, let's get into the video.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought she was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh, no. I wanna turn up.
Alright, so as y'all see, I put on my little outfit, my accessories. I'm finna go to a fight party. With this U-part wig, I'm in love with this install. It is giving traditional. Like, when I tell y'all, this looks so good, like, I'm in love with it. Like, literally leave out this much leave out for your U-part wig. And when I tell y'all, this looks so good, the quality is amazing. Like, enjoy it. If y'all want to see me style this hair in some different styles, some different ways, some curls, if y'all want to see me just do something different with this hair, then let me know in the comment section below, okay? I am not mad at it. It is definitely giving traditional. Really like this U-part wig. I'm gonna have the link to this in the description box below so y'all can get to that for easy. A little 1-2-1-2. I really like how this came out. Like, I am not mad at it. But that is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah.